Hello and welcome to Crewe Audi. Today we have the brand new Audi A1. The car has the LED headlights with the daytime running LEDs with the front headlight washer jets. At the side of the vehicle we have the 16-inch multi-spoke design alloy wheels. Sportback making 5 doors with privacy glass from the B-pillar backwards with the LED backlights with the dynamic sweep indicators and the rear parking sensors. Now this is a brand new vehicle, so you will get the 3 years roadside assistance and 3 years Audi manufacturer's warranty. On the interior of the vehicle, the car has the heated exterior mirrors with the black cloth front sport seats, automatic headlights and wipers with a 3-spoke multifunctional steering wheel with the digital display, MMI Plus with touchscreen, air conditioning with a 6-speed manual gearbox. As you can see, the new A1 is fully redesigned inside. Now if you'd like any more information on the new Audi A1, if you'd like to contact us here at Crewe Audi on 01270 50 70 70. Thank you for watching.